大家好, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna review 2 secrets. What? To help you speak Chinese quickly and fluently. These are parts of connected speech. So if you're ready to take your speaking skills to the next level, then let's dive in. Assimilation. Assimilation is when a sound changes to become more like a neighboring sound. For example, 什么 what becomes 什么. So notice that it's assimilated by to make it easy to say the word quickly. 什么. Try saying it 3 times. First, slowly. 什么. Then faster. 什么. Then fast. 什么. Okay, here are 3 more examples of assimilation. 怎么 becomes 怎么. 斑马 becomes 斑马. 面包 becomes 面包. Try saying each word 3 times. 怎么怎么怎么斑马斑马斑马面包面包面包. So did you notice the pattern? The last sound of the first syllable changes to become more like the first sound of the second syllable. Good, let's move on. Elision. Elision is the loss of sounds in speech.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
For example, 不对 and 不要 often sound like 对 and 不要. In this case, you drop the u sound in 不. 对不要. Another example is 什么意思? In connected speech, it can sound like 什么意思? So we drop the final vowel in 什么 and 意思. 什么意思? Let's take one more example. 我们认识他. In connected speech, it's more like 我们认识他. 我们认识他. So we drop the final sounds in 我们 and 认识. 我们认识他. Alright, let's practice these phrases. 不对不对什么意思什么意思我们认识他我们认识他 Great! Now that we are familiar with assimilation and elision, let's practice with some authentic clips from my well-spoken Chinese vault.
现在几点？现在几点？现在几点？当然是在家啦。当然是在家啦。当然是在家啦。有什么变化？
有什么变化？
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 有什么变化
Alright, well done. By understanding and practicing assimilation and elision, you'll be able to speak Chinese more fluently and naturally. If you think this lesson was useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. 好了，我是 Angel，我们下次见。